So you're thinking about moving to Bolingbrook, Illinois? Well, my friend, you clicked on the right video today because I'm actually in Bolingbrook today. I'm going to be showing you some different homes in the area so you can see exactly what you're going to get for $400,000 in Bolingbrook, for $600,000 and $800,000 in Bolingbrook, Illinois. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll even drive the neighborhood so you can see some other homes that might be on the market soon that you might want to be the first to pick up. All right, but we're about to get after it right now. Let's go. If this is your first time on this channel, you want to know everything there is to know about living in Chicago and the neighboring suburbs like Bolingbrook, Illinois, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Chicago. Hey, what's up? It's Marlon here with my team, and we get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day looking to make that move to Chicago, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, don't hesitate. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to Chicago, because that's all we're trying to do. But all right, let's get after it. All right, so we're here at our first property here in Bolingbrook, Illinois on this beautiful day in Chicago, Illinois. My goodness, for this time of year, for it to be in the 60s, that is really nice. So I'm enjoying every minute of it today. But as we're rolling up here on our first property, this one's going to be located on the east side of Bolingbrook. So over there closer to the 355 expressway and the 55 expressway. Over there is where you're going to find the promenade. You're going to find that Bass Pro Shop. There's going to be a giant IKEA as well. This property here is actually right on the other side of the street from the Cypress Aquatic Center. So, in a couple more weeks here, when it gets really, really nice here in Chicago, you're going to be able to, go there and cool off. And that's going to be an extreme luxury that you're going to have just from choosing to live here on the east side of Bolingbrook, closer to the expressway. So that is going to be a huge positive as well. I want to make sure you knew that if you are thinking about moving here to Bolingbrook, Illinois. But as we're rolling up here on our first property here, this one here is going to be $420,000, right? You're going to get 3 bedrooms. You're going to get 3 bathrooms as well. You're going to get 2,000 square feet of home. So that's going to be really nice. You're going to get a fully fenced backyard. You're going to have a 2-car garage as well. And a lot of these homes here in Bolingbrook, they're going to be bi-level homes, right? So you're going to have a couple stairs down to your second level there, and then a couple stairs up to your first level. And then there's also going to be a basement as well. A lot of these homes in Bolingbrook also come with stone fireplaces as well. So that's going to be really nice into having that in your home. These homes are going to come with it. So that's going to be a huge plus as well. But as we kind of get a good look here at the home, as you can see, the driveway is really long here. So you can fit, a good like 4 or 5 cars here just on the driveway. And then you can even fit 2 more in the garage there. So that is really nice about these homes here in Bolingbrook. But this one right here, $420,000, was built actually in 1979. So that is going to be really nice as well. It's only going to be around 40 years old. So it's not going to be old at all. As you can see here as well, Bolingbrook has some newer trees here that they've recently planted. And if you continue to, drive around and look, you'll see some fully grown trees as well. So it is really nice, and it is quiet here in Bolingbrook, as you can see. And that is something that is a huge positive about Bolingbrook. All right. So this is going to be our first property. Again, $420,000. And we're going to take you around the neighborhood here so you can see some different homes. And we're going to go ahead and jump to our next property, and I'll see you there. All right, so we're here at our second property here in Bolingbrook, Illinois. And as you guys can see, I have to take off the peacoat because it was getting a little too warm outside, a little too hot outside here in Bolingbrook, Illinois. So, I mean, that's not a bad thing at all, especially for this time of the year. That's a wonderful thing. So, I'm cooled off. I feel good. But we're rolling up here on our second property here in Bolingbrook, Illinois. And on my way in, I was on Bowden Road. So that's going to be a road you're going to be traveling on here in Bolingbrook. And I passed the Portillo's right there. Got me a good bite to eat. So I highly suggest checking that out. There's also a Honey Jam Cafe less than 5 minutes away. So if you get up and you're hungry, definitely go check that spot out. They give you some great food. And I love going there, all right? But you're also going to be located just about 10 minutes away from the 355 expressway right there. So if you need to get back and forth on the 355 or the 55, you're going to be less than 10 minutes away from that. So that's going to be really nice. You're not going to have the noise from the highway, but you're going to be close enough to get there very quickly, all right? So that is going to be a huge plus about it. But as we're rolling up here on our second property here, this one's going to be worth $650,000. You're going to get 5 bedrooms. You're going to get 4 bathrooms. And you're going to get 4,400 square feet of home. So that is a huge thing about this home here. A huge plus about it. You're getting all of that home for only $650,000. It was built in 2004 as well. So, and it was also a custom built home. So, think about all the upgrades, think about, how it's going to look really neat and nice inside. That's going to be really great. You're going to have a $35 HOA fee here in this community in Bolingbrook. So that's going to be that. But as you can see here, there's also going to be a bunch of hills around and back, behind these homes. There's going to be a trail that you could walk on and bike on it. I saw some residents on today, so that's going to be really nice. You're going to have this huge driveway here. Look at all of that space, more than enough space to fit 5-6 cars as well. You have a 3-car garage there. That's going to be really nice. Your backyard, I can not tell you enough how stunning it's going to be. You can see how much land you're going to get behind your home just because of this community and all of the hills that it's sitting on. A lot of these homes are going to be like that, and their backyards are going to be huge. So that's going to be really nice for you and your family. If you're thinking about moving here to Bolingbrook, Illinois, it's going to be a great idea. But as you can see too, a lot of these trees are really, really big and grand, and the leaves are going to start coming back here in just a couple of weeks. So it's going to look really beautiful on these streets. Driving to your home, having your friends and family come over when they're driving up to your home, it's going to look really, really nice. So that's going to be a huge plus about these homes here in Bolingbrook, Illinois. But again, you're getting $650,000, 5 beds, 4 baths, 44 square foot of home built in 2002. And then you're about $147 per square foot as well. So maybe compare that to some other homes that you've seen around or some other homes here in Bolingbrook, Illinois. This is very affordable, and you're definitely going to get a really nice home for your money here, all right? But we're going to take you around this neighborhood as well so you can see some other homes that look just like it and in a similar price range. And then we're going to take you to our last home, and we'll see what it's talking about. All right, I'll see you there. All right, so we're here at our third property here in Bolingbrook, Illinois, and I think you guys are gonna like this one. This property, is built in one of the newer communities that are just being developed here. So they're gonna have a lot of new construction homes. They're gonna be popping up here. So this one that we're gonna take a look at has been built in 2022. So it is only around 2 years old. So that's gonna be really nice. You could be the first person to ever live in this home as well. And it's gonna be in a newer developed community called Sawgrass here in Bolingbrook, Illinois, closer to the west side of Bolingbrook, all right? So that's gonna be really nice. You're gonna be right there near Naperbrook Golf Course. So for all my golfing clients, this is gonna be in a prime location for you. Literally in your backyard practically is going to be the Naperbrook Golf Course. So you can get out there and tighten up your game, and make sure you can golf for for hours and hours on end. So that's going to be really nice. But as you can see too, before we get to the home, there's going to be a huge playground right there, right out front. So, if the kids want to go out there and, play on the playground, that's going to be really convenient for them, and really easy for them to get to. All right. So that's going to be something that is really nice. But let's get into the property here. This property here is going to be $875,000. You're going to get 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and you're going to get 3,200 square feet of home, right? So that's going to be really nice. It's going to run you about $267 per square foot as well, right? So, for one of these newly constructed homes here on the west side of Bolingbrook, that's how much it's going to cost you. And what you're going to get is, some really nice manicured, lawns here, because this is a newly developed community. So as you can see, they chop down all the trees, and they make sure that they replant new trees. So you can tell, just by looking at this tree right here, that this is a new community that is being developed currently right here. So you could be one of the first people to live in this community, and it is really quiet here as well. You're getting a 3-car garage, really spacious. Look at this driveway as well. Not even pretty big, really nice and big. You can fit about, maybe 5 or 6 cars here as well. And it's just really nice, modern look to the home here. These homes do not have fences around them. So, that is something that, people are gonna just have to do themselves if they want a fence in their backyard. So that is something to keep in mind. But you are going to be near the Plainfield-Naperville Road. With this property here, I'm sure if you go a little bit deeper in the community, you can avoid being close to the road there. So if that's something that you don't want to deal with, then I'm sure there are more properties available for you. So just let us know if you see something that you like in this area or in Bolingbrook, Illinois. Please do not hesitate. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, so we can help you make a smooth move to Chicago. All right. But with this property, again, you're getting that nice front porch, and they are really spaced out, really nice here as well. So that is something that is going to be great about these homes. But again, right, that's going to wrap up our video here today. I want to thank you for sticking around with me today. And I appreciate you for watching this video to the end. If you see something again that you like, don't hesitate, give us a call. We're here for you. But all right, until I see you again in Chicago, I'll see you on the next video. So peace.